Attention, SAPC. SAPC, please. Ningasiphatheli that thing called himself Victor Hlongwane. Was sick and tired of that guy. We are sick and tired of Victor Hlongwane. That guy hates Kaizer Chiefs. If you are not taking care of that thing, we are going to boycott your channel. You are going to lose the viewership. Remember the numbers of Kaizer Chiefs. The numbers of Kaizer Chiefs. If you continue using that Victor Hlongwane, that guy knows nothing about football. He's just taking sides. Yeah. Okay, let me leave that thing. The message to those who are going to take care of this thing, yeah, MTN, yeah, NetBank, draw. Please, guys, give Kaizer Chiefs, that young boys from Durban. We want to teach them something. And remember, we don't want to disturb Orlando Pirates and Sundowns because they have to finish something. Pirates and Sundowns, they have to finish something. So give Pirates Mamelodi Sundowns so they can finish that thing. Give us that Durban boys. Remember, Kaizer Chiefs is not a football club. We're an institution. So let us lecture the young boys. Pirates and Sundowns, they must finish their business. Please, guys, please. I'm begging you. When you take that ball, make sure you put Pirates next to Sundowns. You put Kaizer Chiefs next to Durban boys. So we're going to enjoy the good final. Pirates want to resolve something with Sundowns. There is a manga business between them. We don't want to disturb that. We respect them. They must solve their problem together. So as the Kaizer Chiefs supporters, we are ready to teach these young boys a lesson. We are not scared of anyone, but we are not ready to disturb that meeting of Pirates and the Sundowns. We are not cowards. We are not cowards. But let Pirates and Sundowns finish their business. There is something called 4, I don't know, it's 4-0, 4-1, 4-1. They must resolve that thing of 4 something. We are right on this thing. Let us face these Durban boys. Nali ezalentlungu makwethini. Nqoni ngawakhohlwa lamagama ndiwabekayo. Victor Hlongwane nimsuse kweza bhola zeNetbank. Angasithelekisa neteam esingazifuniyo. Nimsuse uVictor Hlongwane kweza bhola zeNetbank. Asimfuni uVictor Hlongwane kwibhola zeNetbank. Orlando Pirates and Sundowns, they have unfinished business. Let them finish their thing. We don't want to disturb them. Please, I'm begging you. Asibonane ngexesha le-draw. We're coordination. We're fearless. We're not confused. Oh.